We begin with the major decision by the United Nations in response to the crisis in the Middle East. The International Court of Justice demanding Israel take new steps to prevent genocide in Gaza against Palestinians. But the court stopped short of ordering a ceasefire.
This comes as more than 26,000 people have been killed in Gaza, many of them women and children. Dueling protests erupting outside the International Court of Justice in the Netherlands and in Israel following the decision. Back here at home, a group of pro-Israel demonstrators marching on the east side calling for the release of the Israeli hostages.
Eyewitness News reporter Jim Dolan live outside the UN for us on the east side. Jim.
And some Palestinian demonstrators here on the east side as well today, hoping that all of this might someday lead to a ceasefire. Israel says, of course, that is not likely. The court really ruled today that there is concern that the Israeli military actions in Gaza could lead to genocide, could already amount to genocide, and maybe more importantly, it ruled that the court, the International Court in The Hague, does have jurisdiction over this matter. They will continue to hear the allegations that were brought by the South African government. The ruling probably won't change much, really. Israel has vowed to continue to prosecute the war against Hamas that the Hamas-run health ministry claims has cost over 25,000 lives. There's no way to verify those numbers, of course. The court ruled that stories of atrocities by Israeli soldiers should be investigated.
At least some of the acts and omissions alleged by South Africa to have been committed by Israel in Gaza appear to be capable of falling within the provisions of the Convention. In light of the following, the Court concludes that, prima facie, it has jurisdiction pursuant to Article 9 of the Convention to entertain the case.
Our war is against Hamas terrorists, not against Palestinian civilians. We will continue to facilitate humanitarian assistance and to do our utmost to keep civilians out of harm's way, even as Hamas uses civilians as human shields.
That is Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. He says the war will continue as well. The goals, he says, remain the same.